Well, hello there. I spent the day at the Biltmore Mansion and Grounds. It's magnificent here in Asheville, North Carolina. I guess I spent about 2 hours in the house. The upstairs is magnificent. It's 3 stories, all kinds of neat stuff. But downstairs in the basement, I really enjoyed myself because it showed the construction of the foundation, the quality of the workmanship, the fact that this house is a steel girdered house with the stone facade. It's very well built. It was very modern for the time. Bathrooms for all the guests. Each guest had their own bathroom. The bathrooms only had a bathtub, very big bathtub, and a toilet. Did not have sinks because back in the day they preferred to have a bowl and pitcher of warm water in the room. Then sinks hadn't really caught on, let's say. And then down in the basement was the servants' quarters, which were very nice. The large kitchen, which I completely screwed up the video of, which is a shame because it was huge, and all of the storage rooms for all of the foods, and cold rooms for refrigeration. And all the videos turned out terrible, so I'm sorry. But I had more fun downstairs on the bottom floor, basement, shall we say, than I did in the upper floors. The upper floors are another beautiful mansion, and I've seen a bunch of beautiful mansions, and basically they irritate me because of the ostentatious, obvious one wealthy guy showing up the other wealthy guy. But it was gorgeous. I mean, it really is, and it's a beautiful presentation. They've caught on from Disneyland on how to control crowds. You are channeled from one room to the next. You never backtrack, and it works very well. And I liked it a lot. So let this be a preface to the mansion tour, and I'll get on with it now and let you see some of it. And believe me, I don't even know how long this is going to go, but it's about 1/4 of the video that I shot. I just went through and picked out the ones that I thought were interesting. If I had done them all, you would be here for 3 hours. And then next I'm going to do the King Tut exhibit, which is here on the Biltmore grounds, and it was really neat. So it'll be the next video I do. So in the meantime, here's the Biltmore mansion from the inside and out, and all the highlights that I enjoyed. So, enjoy. All right, here's the video that I should have taken when we first arrived. And this is the house. And it is what one would refer to as really big. And I enjoyed the downstairs more than the upstairs.
Or the male flower to
This
the
is
female
the
flower, and then it makes more fun.
entrance area. Come across the grass here and come on up. This is the line to get in. And looking up out front of the building. The first room, the entrance room. The welcome to the building room. Billiards room. 2 tables, no waiting. Living home. I think this is the first video I've gotten. I think I had the camera set wrong for all the previous ones. I do apologize. Or maybe I was just doggone dark. This is Mr. Vanderbilt's bedroom. And there's his bed. He was apparently not a tall person. Dressing table, mirror. Let's go down this way. I like this. This is much nicer than his. Nice desk, dressing table, day bed. Nice comfy looking bed. I like this. full dress, full mirror. It is too cool. Oh no, this looks comfy. They're just getting ready to set up for Christmas. Now that there is a nice bathtub. Just like a bathtub and a toilet. But no sink. Interesting. Sink, they're probably still using basins with pitchers of warm water. These vertical supports were added during one of the reconstruction efforts to support the circular stairway there and over there. And they match nicely, but you can tell they're not original. And apparently they go even downstairs. You'll see them down on the basement floor. And those are the supports I showed you upstairs. And we're going across and coming down. This is an incredibly well-built building. Look at this construction. My goodness gracious sakes. This is more interesting to me than the whole upstairs. This I love. Look at the construction. Look at the quality. My goodness gracious sakes alive. You can have the whole rest of the house. I'll take this. Look at all this. This is called the Halloween room. I'm just going to take a quick sweeping tour through this area.